over here, when you start the grocery store, it says print. Welcome to the grocery store. Please enter your items for checkout. So the user knows they can start entering the items, and if they and then stop equals false, so you continue. And if while not stop, you input the name, which is, for example, if I type in apple, I'll print apple, and then QTY and the cost. And then it will ask if you would like to type another item. If you want to continue, C. If you want to quit, Q. If user response is Q, that means if they type in Q, then it means it needs to quit. And if they have, and then the grocery total is 0. For item grocery list, item into quantity, item quantity into item cost. So that's the total. It prints the grand total, which is quantity into cost. And grocery lookup, if you want to look up something but you don't know if you want to buy something but you don't know if you have it, you need to type in X. If found false, then they need to input found item. Here are the details. If found equals false, you need to put key item, which could be apple, is not in your cart. Would you like to, it asks if you would like to search another item, and then see if continue and Q if quit. And then it asks if and then it asks which item are you looking for. Let me show you. I type in my name of my grocery, and then I type in the quantity, then I type in how much I want it to cost, and then if I press C, then it asks me if I want to do another one. And then if I press quit, it'll give me the total amount, which is $5. And so it's 3 apples for $1, 2 bananas for $1.
Great, thank you, Sahasra.